Shiva, Watashina Namaeva Arundas, Tashiva Niju Yonsaidas, Tashiva Jidoshana Technicians, Ijudas. Okay, I am Marun. I am coming from Kerala, Kerala small village called Malappuram. Malappuram. I have my family. In my family is father, mother, daughter, sister, and my brother. It's a small family. We are living a small life, not much rich. But now I am going to take them to fly with me, and we have to fulfill our dreams. I am going to Japan in this month because of Angelson and Nandi Toyota. Very thankful for them. I have no plan to work in Japan or anything else. Just Nandi Toyota. One day Angel came to us and tell the Japan's futuristic technical technology, then the working culture, the Japan's working culture and the living standard, and it will be inspire me, and I will start to do Japan things. But the main challenge is the language. Japanese is not like any other language. It's how two, three types of letters, and kanji. Kanji is the most difficult one. Once we are in track, it will be easy, but that it's so difficult. But our senseis and Angel and our management is very helpful to us, and they support us to more. How can they? We have a working hours of 10 hours in daily, and the study time is very less, but we are working hard for this, for fulfill our dreams, and it will become true because of Zenro and the Toyota and the Toyota. Very thankful for them to support to fulfill our dreams.